In-water hull cleaning is a pivotal practice for the maritime industry, ensuring both efficiency and sustainability. As ships navigate global waters, their hulls accumulate biofouling, plants, microorganisms, and small marine animals that hinder fuel efficiency and facilitate the spread of alien invasive species. Fair compliance with global hull cleaning regulations is crucial. It safeguards marine ecosystems, prevents invasive species from spreading, and keeps ships running efficiently. Without effective compliance, biofouling introduces non-native species to new environments, disrupting local ecosystems and causing ecological damage. Consistent, fair compliance ensures no port or region becomes a weak link in preserving marine biodiversity. Biofouling impacts operational efficiency, potentially increasing fuel consumption by up to 40%. A fouled hull leads to higher costs and more carbon emissions. Uniform compliance in hull cleaning practices worldwide ensures vessels operate at peak performance, reducing unnecessary fuel consumption. For ship owners, this translates to cost savings and a reduced environmental footprint. When all regions enforce the same standards, no one gains an unfair advantage. Fair compliance supports global trade and logistics by preventing delays due to non-compliance. Vessels adhering to consistent hull cleaning standards move smoothly across ports, avoiding penalties and ensuring uninterrupted supply chains. Hull cleaning is also about safety. Biofouling can conceal structural damage, like cracks or corrosion, which weakens the integrity of a vessel. Regular cleaning ensures these issues are caught early, preventing accidents at sea. At Schomberg, we set the standard for safe, environmentally responsible hull cleaning operations. Our technology ensures that biofouling is removed and captured safely, protecting the environment while enhancing performance. Fair compliance requires global cooperation, from operators to regulators, to protect ecosystems and ensure fair competition.